went to the bathroom. Okay, let's wait there outside.
That's what I said. Oh my goodness.
Let me drink this one. That strawberry flavor is really tastes good. It doesn't taste good. It tastes water, but it smells good. Look at the old cars. Aren't you wish to have enough? Nice car, right?
You can sit on there.
I can. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
You can sit on top of it.
Yeah. If they let me sit on it, then I can sit on it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go find a guy that is rich, okay? You're not going. You gotta go with me.
No, I don't want to see a guy that's rich. Be like, hey, what's up? No.
A guy that has a... Come here. You gotta stay with me. A guy that has a lot of dollars. And then I have a very nice car. Look at those cars. Come here, let's go look.
No, I want to be with Ryan.
No, we're not gonna hunt for a rich guy.
No, I don't want
Look at this car. So pretty. I wanna own those. But if I will own it, don't touch it, okay? Don't touch my car. 1955. Pearl white. Okay, come on, let's go more. Let's look more. We can remove now the mask. Let's go look here.
It was
Mommy,
Here.
look.
Here, you
I
gotta
can
film.
hide in there.
Yeah, you can film me.
I was just like,
Be careful, it's filming. Hey, look at here. You gotta take a picture of the, not picture, but oh, look at the red one. It's even better.
too bright for my eyes.
Yeah, but it's good.
Looks small. What? It was an accident.
Be careful in doing that. You bump the.
I
That's,
said accident. Oh, now you really
looks
sit
like a
there.
boat. That one right there looks like a boat.
This one?
Yeah. That's big. It's a big back here, a hood.
It's a free AC.
Hi.
Free
that's
AC.
a El Dorado.
I told
Look.
Bernadette, let's go. I have to go look for a
Free
rich
AC.
guy.
Free AC. Free AC,
And
people.
she said,
People.
What? You know what she said? She said, no, I'm not going.
Okay, this right here is free AC. Free AC.
Don't touch the cars.
I'm not.
Okay.
Just be careful.
Mom,
Your
here.
mom likes to touch everything.
Can I touch it?
No. Oh no, no, we're not supposed to.
Oh,
Oh, hold on. Just go like this. We're on the wrong side. Get
Okay.
on the right. Yeah. Here.
Okay,
go
you're gonna-
over.
can you film us?
That's it. Oh yeah. That's a 57.
57?
Yeah. Look at that.
Bill, yeah. Okay. I can tell by.
Look at that. Corvette. Fun. Wow. Need a 5-star seat on that one. 57. Beautiful. Wow. That's exciting. They're every year. That's a fucking sweet ass car. That's I like that one. Yeah. That is a sweet car. Yeah. I'm liking that. Yes, it is. They definitely don't make them like this anymore.
Gorgeous.
Oh, I like that one a lot. Is that a from Ford?
Sorry, no, go ahead.
Oh my God, you guys are in the way. Oh my God.
Maybe I think that's our Uber.
Look at that block. Oh my God. Wow. Corvette. just lined up for days. Uh-oh, I think I lost my group. I'll put it
around here.
Yeah, I thought they were behind me. Oh, there they are. And there they are. I got all the cars.
Most of them are Chevy.
That's
Did you take some pictures to those? Did you
no,
film
we're going
those?
over here now.
Okay. Most of them are
Oh my
Chevy.
God! Look at the Suburban. Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, it's got a 427 in it. Oh.
Okay.
They don't make them like this anymore. Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Okay. Here, right here. Right here.
Don't. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah. All your mom. All you had to do was that.
Okay. Stay there.
Okay. Oh, stop. Bernadette. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, ballet. Go on, come on, come on, come on. Mhm. Is your mom being goofy? What's wrong? I know, just don't think about it. Just try and enjoy this. Look, I know it's smoky. I know it's hot.
Hey, you guys want to just post it right there? Yeah, let's post it right there. Where the elephant's on the phone. I'll go grab
A Mustang.
No, that's a Mustang,
Mustang.
not a Mazda.
Mustang.
No, Mustang. Oh, this is almost like the Batmobile. I love that metallic.
This is a car for the Batman.
I love the.
Batman car.
Yeah, I love the metallic. Yeah. That's awesome.
Batman car. But
Batman-
This is the place that you can see.
Batman, the original Batman car was a Lincoln.
No, it's not
And
Batman.
and
the
then
one inside.
no, and it only went 15 miles an hour. So when they had to speed up the film for it to make it look like it was going fast,
Oh, I couldn't find a car of James Bond here.
no James Bond car, no, it's not. It's an English car. It's not an American.
No, that's why I couldn't find
This is
it.
a Camaro. Look at that.
There's a lot of Chevy cars. Old
Yeah.
cars. How come that now it's not? It's
Oh,
not popular?
jeez. Sorry. Because a lot of the classic cars were Chevy.
Oh, there's. Oh, you know what? This is the color of Bill's car.
Okay.
That's Bill's car's color. Before. That's the color of his car with his ex-wife.
Don't touch it.
I don't.
Will you? Don't tempt it. Don't tempt it. Don't even go near. Because you'll. Oh my God. All right. You want to walk down here? Bernadette? Bernadette? We're walking here. Taking a break?
That's the reason why I'm following now, because once I thought about it, and probably at 7 o'clock, it'd be too late.
Look at that.
I want to get those kind of a drink, the very tall drink, very long one.
Like a hurricane?
What do you call it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hurricane glass?
So what is it?
Hurricane
What
glass.
is in it?
Probably alcohol.
Oh,
Yeah.
can I get?
Maybe you can get a lemonade in there.
How much are you?
5,000. Look at this.
Okay, I'm not doing it here because there's nobody.
Come on. Try to be positive. Try. I know it's difficult, but when you're it's you gotta
Oh, they have food there.
we're going to get five. Yeah, and the food here is like $5,000 a plate.
That's pretty. To walk right here. I'll have to go ahead.
Don't tempt fate. Don't get too close.
You know where did you park? It's the backside.
Ah. Look, this is like a Fast and Furious car right here.
Oh, that is?
Yeah. Oh, it's a Chevy Malibu. His was a Dodge. A Chevelle.
Dodge is Chevy.
Yeah. No. Dodge is Dodge.
Only in Reno.
That's pretty car.
Thanks for letting us get by.
Chevy again.
Yeah, lots of Chevy.
It's really nice, except for the hat.
You want to keep going down or down there? Okay. Okay.
We have also a very old one that we parked.
The Ford?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there it's all over.
Yeah. They've got the whole parking lot. That's why there's nowhere to park.
I can go around if I own one.
Yeah. This is a beach car right here.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
it matches.
Convertible. Oh, Jesus Christ. Please don't walk behind me. You almost make me fall.
It's really nice to stay at the Grand Sierra.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And I want to hit the $20
There's
million.
pools here.
I want to hit the $20 million.
You and 300 million other people. Ooh, this is a lowrider. Look at that. Hello.
How can we park?
See, Chevrolet.
I thought you can't go.
Hey, you know,
Looks like a
they will load on the ground.
Looks like
I thought you can't go in the car. I thought you can't go in the car.
Look at
You
this.
can't.
How come there's kids on it?
So pretty.
These are just for show.
I want to sit on it
I know you do, but you can't.
and borrow the keys.
Because yeah, it's the owner's kids. It's their family.
I want. I really like throw. How much are these cars? 70,000
Or more.
or more.
They're classics.
Yeah. But if broke. GMC.
Okay. You want to go back up this way? Or you want to go in the parking lot? Huh? Huh? You done? You done?
Yeah.
You want to see any more?